Are you a singer or musician who wants to start a YouTube channel but doesn't know where to begin? But starting from zero feels overwhelming, right? Have you ever dreamed of having your own YouTube channel to share your songs, your passion for music? Today, I'm going to give you some tips to create your music channel the right way. Are you ready? Let's go. This is my second channel. I have a music channel in French where I post my music videos, vocal warm-ups. I've been able to share my music with people all around the world. So thank you, YouTube. It's also been a way to generate additional income for my music business. I know, it can be really scary to post your music on YouTube. You're putting your voice, your songs out there. It's normal to worry about what people will think, but hey, every singer starts somewhere. Focus on your music, not perfection. The first step is to create a Google account. Enter your first and last name and choose your username. This will be the account you use to log into YouTube. Don't forget to verify your account with your phone number. This unlocks extra features like longer videos and custom thumbnails. Next, go to your YouTube, click on your profile, and choose Create a Channel. Once you've created your YouTube channel, one of the first things you should do is customize your channel cover. This is the big image at the top of your channel, and it tells people what your channel is about. Is this a channel for covers, original music? Your cover should make that clear. You don't need expensive design tools. You can use Canva for free or other apps to create a professional-looking banner. Use a profile picture that shows your face. It makes people feel more connected to you as an artist. Add a banner that shows your style and your brand. Go to YouTube Studio, then click here. Now you can write your channel description. Tell people who you are, what kind of music you make, and what they can expect from your channel. You can make money with your music on YouTube. Yes, you can. YouTube doesn't pay you directly. The money comes from ads that play before and during your videos, and YouTube shares a part with you. To unlock this, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program. Once you reach that, you can apply, and if YouTube approves you, ads will start working on your videos. And beyond ads, there are several other ways you can make money with your channel. Ad revenue, channel memberships, super chat, super stickers, and more. You need to find your niche. Your niche is the main focus of your channel. Are you going to do covers, original songs, vocal challenges, storytelling about your life as a singer? You need to decide what kind of music channel you actually want to create and what is the goal. A clear niche helps you to attract the right audience. Think of your channel as a bridge between your music and the people who love it. Before uploading, think about this. Do I want people to discover my songs? Do I want to post some covers with my personal twist? Should I share behind-the-scene content like studio sessions, songwriting process? The content you post doesn't have to be perfect. What matters is consistency. The best approach is to pick a schedule and stick to it. Now, what are you going to post? If you want to get discovered as a singer, a great way to start is by posting a few covers. If you play an instrument like guitar or piano, you can record yourself singing and playing at the same time. You can use an instrumental to sing on YouTube, even if you don't play an instrument yourself. Just make sure the track is free to use or that you have permission to use it, because some instrumentals are protected by copyright. Before you go, I have a question for you. What kind of music content are you most excited to create? Let me know in the comments. And by the way, if you want to warm up your voice before recording, you can check out my vocal warm-up playlist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with more tips. Bye bye.